Heinous.
Heinous mean outrageous, vile, awful, wicked.
Opposite meanings are righteous, pleasing, exquisite, appealing.
Irrepressible.
Irrepressible mean irresistible, unconfined, unhindered, unshackled.
Opposite meanings are composed, hesitant, submissive, grave.
Invincible.
Invincible mean unconquerable, impregnable, unsubdued, unbeatable.
Opposite meanings are effeminate, languid, crippled, fragile.
Intimidate.
Intimidate mean frighten, dictate, hopeless, irresolute.
Opposite meanings are console, encourage, appease, hearten.
Intrepid.
Intrepid mean brave, courageous, valorous, chivalrous.
Opposite meanings are sacred, frightened, timid, cowardly.
Intricate.
Intricate mean tangled, complicated, formidable, arduous.
Opposite meanings are regulated, orderly, manageable, ductile.
Intrigue.
Intrigue mean scheme, conspiracy, manipulation, counterplot.
Opposite meanings are candor, sincerity, bluntness, honesty.
Intrinsic.
Intrinsic mean genuine, fundamental, inherent, congenital.
Opposite meanings are extraneous, incidental, extrinsic, derived.
Invective.
Invective mean accusation, censure, malediction, denunciation.
Opposite meanings are approval, acclamation, admiration, approbation.
Instil.
Instil mean inculcate, inject, infuse, implant.
Opposite meanings are eradicate, extract, eliminate, expel.
Insolvent.
Insolvent mean indigent, destitute, bankrupt, defaulter.
Opposite meanings are wealthy, solvent, affluent, substantial.
Insipid.
Insipid mean tasteless, vapid, savorless, unflavored.
Opposite meanings are delicious, luscious, pungent, piquant.
Insinuate.
Insinuate mean communicate, allude, hint, suggest.
Opposite meanings are conceal, camouflage, suppress, mask.
Inquisitive.
Inquisitive mean inquiring, curious, searching, studious.
Opposite meanings are distracted, negligent, indifferent, impassive.
Innocuous.
Innocuous mean salutary, wholesome, innocent, harmless.
Opposite meanings are deleterious, baneful, insanitary, injurious.
Ingenious.
Ingenuous mean undisguised, naive, candid, guileless.
Opposite meanings are wily, crafty, perfidious, treacherous.
Infringe.
Infringe mean violate, encroach, transgress, trespass.
Opposite meanings are comply, concur, conform, observe.
Inevitable.
Inevitable mean unavoidable, ascertained, imminent, substantial.
Opposite meanings are unlikely, doubtful, indefinite, uncertain.
Ingenious.
Ingenious mean deft, proficient, dexterous, adroit.
Opposite meanings are unskilled, incompetent, immature, unqualified.
Indulge.
Indulge mean gratify, pamper, comfort, satisfy.
Opposite meanings are annoy, trouble, torment, displease.